The fight against cancer has many fronts, and now a new program at UConn Health Center is strengthening that effort. It's a screening program for lung cancer, which is the leading cause of cancer deaths among men and women.
Evelyn Passan of New Britain used to smoke and has a family history of lung cancer, so she's at UConn Health Center to be screened. She wanted to be proactive and have access to the latest technology.
Most tests nowadays are a lung x-ray, a chest x-ray, and by the time they take that test, it's too late for something to show up. So I wanted to try and get early detection.
Here, a CT scan gives radiologist Electra Kalutis a look at another patient's lungs.
We can actually see the lungs very, very clearly.
She can see a lot here. Dr. Kalutis, who heads up the lung cancer screening program at UConn Health Center, shows how this newer technology really gives doctor a superior diagnostic tool compared to just an x-ray.
So this is the lung cancer on the x-ray.
She says it's hard to determine whether this is cancer or pneumonia, but on the CT scan, she can see a white spot of lung cancer.
On the CAT scan, we see that it's a very, very well-defined area, this white spot is a very, very well-defined area of density.
And she says results show this technology is saving lives.
The patients in the CT screening arm had a 20% reduction in their risk of dying from lung cancer over the time of the study, which was about 3 years.
Dr. Kalutis says early detection can allow a patient to undergo a simple surgery instead of chemotherapy or radiation. The cost is $100 for the screening, which may be covered by insurance. Now it was time for Evelyn to get her results.
I just reviewed your scan, and I'm happy to say that everything looks great.
Awesome.
So we'll see you next year.
So good news for her. The radiologists at UConn Health Center also work with primary care doctors in the community to seek out candidates for their screening program, like people who are or were heavy smokers, have a family history, or perhaps have a symptom like a mysterious cough.